Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first time filming in the new apartment. The videos have been going pretty okay for a hot minute there, and then now we're back to Jankytown, USA. But I have my third Miss to Mrs. box that I wanted to unbox for y'all, so without further ado, we're gonna hop into this bad boy. Okay, for those of y'all who don't know, I will have the link to the website down below, but Miss to Mrs. is basically if you have gotten engaged or you have a friend who got engaged and you are the trillest of homies, you can send them a box full of just random bridal stuff. I got this for myself, but you know, if you're a homie, you can hook your friend up with it. But anyway, this is box number 3. Ta-da! So, that's a really flattering angle to be making that face. Anyway, first we have our spoiler card, and this looks like the box is Wedding Day Essentials. Yay! It's coming up so fast, guys. It's on the 19th. It's coming up fast. Anywho, and then also on top we have Wedding Day, Who Does What, a list of duties and responsibilities. This has been probably our biggest issue, and it's not even the people in my life whose issue it is, it's my issue. I literally have no idea and no purpose and no sense of direction. I'm just like, yeah, I decided to get married, and that's about the extent of my thought process on that. This is wedding alcohol and calculator. Oh, calculator. So it just gives you for how many guests, how much alcohol you need. We are having a dry wedding, so that's not relevant for us, but you know, if you are not, then it's in there. Okay, so right on top, okay, I do not play this game, but these are a really actually beautiful set of wedding garters, but I am not out here trying to do that. That is one tradition that I'm just like, it's not happening. We're not doing that. So I don't know. Anyway, let me open it up for you though. I mean, they're really beautiful, but I just ain't nobody got time for that. No, but that's in there. We also have these really gorgeous gold slippers, and they come with a stretchy bow to kind of keep them together. I'm actually going to be wearing tennis shoes, so I'm not going to necessarily need these to like kick off my heels and dance, but they're really cute and a really thoughtful touch. Yes! Okay, so I am a huge fan of sleep masks, and they just sent this really poofy, gorgeous, wifey sleep mask. It just looks like such. That's actually super cute. Wait, I don't know why I'm putting this on right now, but oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, that's just too much janky, but this is actually really like silky soft. I'm here for it. That's really cute. Love that. These are gorgeous and so up my alley. I think I'm supposed to give these away, but I'm gonna keep them. It says I couldn't tie the knot without you, and then they're just these beautiful like rose gold cubic zirconia. They're actually 18 karat gold plated, but they're just little earrings, and they are absolutely beautiful. I can't get the plastic cover off, but yeah, just gorgeous studs. I will be keeping those for myself because can't get married without myself either. Anyway, then they also included this gorgeous little 2-pack of vows books. So you can just open them up and write your vows in there. I don't think we're gonna be doing our own vows in the ceremony, but we might write our own and just like exchange them later, so we'll see. What is this? I have no idea what this is. I might have to look this up later. Oh, I remember, because I did open this and look at it earlier. These are heel protectors. So again, not relevant to me because I am not wearing heels, but it comes with a little 2-pack of heel protectors. So if you have like anything outdoor and you don't want to be sinking into the grass while you're taking pictures, you can put those on your heels. So those are super thoughtful as well. I love how they just include things that you never would have thought of for yourself, because it's not like you get married every day. And then they also threw in this really cute just married window decal. Let's see. I'm not gonna be able to get this back in there, but it's just a really gorgeous silver just married window decal for your car. So I'm gonna probably give that to my maid of honor and do with it what she will. But anyway, that is it for this box, guys. So I'm pretty excited because I've been like, I literally moved these boxes because I was like, dang it, I didn't film before I left. So now I can finally unpack these boxes and get on with my life. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite item in the box was down below. I think mine for sure is, it's a tie between the little eye mask and the earrings. I think the earrings are cute AF. I'm gonna wear those like every day. But anyway, all right, that is it. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. And until next time, stay batty.